What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about creating an outbound limit policy within Microsoft 365. So let's get right into it. All right, so creating an outbound limit policy within Microsoft 365, super simple. But before we do that, let's head over to this website because this actually tells you the limit that Microsoft gives you. If you scroll down a little bit, this is the sending limit, okay? The outbound sending. This is what we want to limit. This is crazy. 10,000, 1,300. This is crazy, Microsoft. Why? Imagine if an account gets compromised and they're sending massive spam emails to other companies as you because you got compromised. And Microsoft allows this. This is nuts. So if you want to limit this, with a smaller number, this is how we do it. We're going to head over to your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on Show All. We're going to click on Security. We're going to click on Email and Collaboration. We're going to click on Policies and Rules. We're going to click on Threat and Policies. We're going to locate Anti-Spam, which is located underneath Policies. We're going to click on Create a Policy, and you have two options, inbound and outbound. You saw the title of the video. We are going to be doing what? Outbound. So select outbound, give it a name. I'm going to give it the following, right? And within the description of the name, it says 1,000. That is how many I'm going to be limiting. You are able to decrease it. It is up to you. We're going to click on Next. You are able to assign this to a particular user, a group, or the domains, or the entire domain, or everyone. I'm going to do it to a particular group, and it is BTNHD students. Everyone that's inside that group, there's a limit for you. We're going to click Next, and it is time for us to set our limits. So for me, I'm going to set it the following. For the forwarding rule, I disable that because I've seen when inboxes or email accounts get compromised, the hacker typically turns on forwarding, right? And they do all other crazy stuff. I also checked off send a copy of suspicious outbound messages or message that exceed this limit to these users and groups. So I want a copy of it because I want to see, to investigate, and I can start purging out or, doing what I need to do. So these are the limits. And for the restriction placed on users who reach this message limit, restrict the user from sending mail until the following day. So until the following day, 24 hours later, it resets and then you're able to send again. So we're going to click Next. You get a nice little review. For the restrict sending to external, as well to the internal, that is per hour. You're able to decrease that. That is up to you. Once you are satisfied with everything, just click on Create, and that's it. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.